Hello and welcome to another back in stock video where we're taking a look around the warehouse to see which items that you've been trying to get your hands on over the last few months are back in stock. So let's take a look for your Norton bikes this week. So first up this week, part number 603957, the rear suspension unit. That item is £100 and 73 pence including VAT. Next, the rear suspension unit in a pair, part number 602023, is £107 and 40 pence including VAT. Next, 132043, the front brake master cylinder kit including the 5/8 diameter piston and seals for the Commando from 72 to 78, they're £20 and 34 pence including VAT. And part number 132044, the front brake master cylinder kit including the 13mm diameter piston and seals is £21 and 54 pence including VAT. And last up this week, the stainless braided rocker oil feed pipe kit, part number 065561/SS is £116 and 11 pence including VAT. And don't forget, all these links are in the section below. And as always, if there's an item that we haven't mentioned today but you'd like to know when it comes back in stock, what you can do is set yourself a reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's super simple, and there's a link in the section below to a video that it takes you through the whole process of how to set your account up so you get to have an email reminder when that item comes back in stock. Or of course you can get in touch with Ashley and Simon on the technical desk. All the details at the end of this video. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching today, and until next time, safe riding.